today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast Seo with Elementor, helping you optimize your website content effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make your WordPress site more search engine friendly while designing pages with Elementor. Let's begin with a quick overview of why this integration is so valuable. Yoast Seo is a powerful plugin for WordPress that simplifies the process of SEO optimization. It helps you track your keyword usage, readability, and offers insights on how to improve your content visibility on search engines. Elementor, on the other hand, is a robust page builder that allows you to design stunning web pages with its user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface. Bringing these two together means you'll have the best of both worlds, beautifully designed pages and optimized content. First things first, ensure you have both Yoast Seo and Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can find these in the WordPress plugin repository. To install, head to your WordPress dashboard. Under Plugins, select Add New, and search for Yoast Seo. Once you find it, click Install Now, and activate the plugin. Repeat the same process for Elementor. Having both tools ready is essential as we move forward. Now that the plugins are active, let's move to creating or editing a page or post using Elementor. You'll want to activate the page builder by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, selecting Pages, and choosing the page you want to work on. Click Edit with Elementor to enter the design environment. Here, you can start crafting your page using Elementor's extensive widget library. Whether you're adding text, images, or videos, Elementor makes it simple to build and modify your page layout efficiently. While working in Elementor, you may begin to wonder how to analyze your page's SEO as you go along. This is where Yoast Seo's integration comes into play. To access Yoast Seo insights, you'll need to save your work and return to the WordPress editor. Immediately underneath the content box, you'll find the Yoast Seo panel, which delivers vital information related to your page's optimization status. Focusing on the key phrase you want to target, Yoast will provide an analysis based on the keyword density, link count, and other critical factors. Pay close attention to the feedback in the form of colored smiley faces and suggestions on improving areas like your meta descriptions, headings, and overall content clarity. Yoast also offers readability analysis, ensuring your text is easy to digest, which is crucial for visitor retention. After making the necessary adjustments based on Yoast's suggestions, return to Elementor for further design tweaks. Having both tools adaptively collaborating ensures that each page is not only visually appealing but also tailored for search engine success. Before we wrap up, remember that consistency is key. Regularly reviewing and updating your content with these plugins will maximize their benefits. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively use Yoast Seo with Elementor for optimized web design. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like these to advance your digital presence. Enjoy creating your optimized content.